don't want to make this any more awkward than it already is.
You're gonna have to back up. Oh boy. I didn't anticipate him doing that. Ready, set, go.
Oh!
Let's do some trivia. Chocolate trivia, let's do this. Drum roll.
Who invented white chocolate?
Which continent produces the most chocolate? He's got one crazy eye, guys.
Oh.
Cheers, guys. Hi guys, welcome to the Shar and Joe Show. I'm Sharlene.
And I'm Joe.
We're really excited to try this recipe today. With a 2-year-old and a 9-month-old, we haven't had a date night in a really long time. We saw these hot chocolate bombs online and thought it would be really fun for us to make them today.
First, we're gonna show you what we all need to make this happen. So what do you call this? Silplat?
Silicone mat?
Oh, I think Silplat might be a brand. So silicone mat, some melting wafers, Ghirardelli premium baking milk chocolate. This is a mold, decorative gel.
Orange decorative gel.
Somebody made some orange decorative gel. I think Sharlene did that. Some microwavable bowls, hot cocoa mix with mini marshmallows. So this is for our filling. My wife doesn't like real milk.
Nope.
So we're doing almond milk. A spoon, paintbrush, a knife, and a cutting board.
All right, let's get this chopped up. Does that look good to you?
Not really good. So we're not gonna weigh it or anything, but we're gonna put a lot of it in and leave a little bit out, and that helps to temper it. This is how we're doing. We're gonna microwave this, and then we're gonna add this other chocolate later once this is kind of melted. All right, so we got our 90% of our chocolate in here, 10% here, and then
Like that little
we're gonna
bit matters.
and then we're gonna microwave this in 30-second intervals until this is fully melt.
You can start over.
All right, so we'll do 30-second intervals, kind of stirring it in between, and we'll add this other stuff.
Well, let's pop it in the microwave.
All right, so we got this mixed together. She's got her white chocolate, hers was a lot easier, and brown chocolate, regular chocolate.
Right.
Cheers.
Cheers to you.
Next thing is we're gonna put these in the molds. Take the spoon, just kind of smear that. Schmear?
Schmear? That's a weird word. Or the way you say it is weird.
Schmear it.
Schmear. How do you spell that?
It's like cashmere. So where is our paintbrush?
Oh boy. It disappeared. Where did it roll off to?
Here it is. Just spreading it around a little bit. Flip it upside down and do it.
Oh boy. I didn't anticipate him doing that. What's this? Is this part?
There you go. These are ready to go in the refrigerator. So, see you in a couple.
The game that we're gonna play, and this one is kind of a challenge, but I figured let's do this one first and see how it goes. So we're gonna have 3 cups and 2 challenge cards in between. We're gonna make a tower, and we have 3 attempts to yank the cards out of the tower at the same time so that the cups stack neatly. So I have 3 attempts to pull these cards out.
Attempt number 1.
Oh, I was close. I was close, guys. I have a feeling I might be able to do this.
Attempt number 2.
Oh, it was even worse because I had nothing to pull at.
Attempt number 3.
All right. Yes.
Set.
Hey,
Go.
you're stressing me out. No stress here.
Oh.
This is not how it was supposed to go down, guys.
Attempt number 1. Attempt
Ready,
number 2.
steady, go.
Oh!
Attempt
Ready,
number 3.
set, go.
Oh!
Oh.
Ready? Lightning fast.
Wow. We did it, guys, and I
1.
really wanted those bragging rights, and I feel bad now that you were able to achieve what I
Now
could
you
not
get to wear
achieve.
this. Congratulations. It's time for chocolate trivia, and I will ask Sharlene the first question, and you guys can play along as well at home.
Drum roll.
Drum roll. That was weak. Let's do it again. All right.
Fingers hurt.
Okay. First question. Who invented white chocolate? And of course I found out white chocolate isn't really chocolate. I'm going to give you 3 possible answers and you got to select the right one. So letter A. Hershey's. Choice number B. Nestle. And choice number 3. The ancient Mayans.
Yeah, I'm saying no to C.
No to C.
So we're marking that off our list here, narrowing it down. So it's either Hershey or Nestle. I would say Nestle.
Nestle. Is that your final answer?
Can I call a friend?
Sure.
I'm just kidding.
Well, Sharlene is correct. Yay.
I am getting my bragging rights
Maybe-
back after that game that we just played. You ready for this question?
I'm ready.
Which continent produces the most chocolate? Is it A, South America, B, Europe, or C, Africa?
I'm leaning towards South America. Final answer.
Guys, his answer is incorrect.
Incorrect.
The answer is Africa.
Fair enough.
Let's get our chocolates going.
Go get them. We're back. And these things look like they're hardened up. So what we're gonna do is try to pop these out of here carefully, put the ingredients in, seal them up, and decorate them.
Right.
And then so on and so forth. Looks like you had a party. It's got
Thanks.
crazy eyes.
He's got one crazy eye, guys.
Who's ready?
I'm ready, guys. Sure.
Oh,
Oh, ho, ho. That was
it's
neat.
gone.
It's like a bad version of Frosty. The nose is all weird, but
Looks happy.
it looks happy, right? Until set.
Hi, Frosty. Go.
Cheers.
Cheers. Cheers.
Cheers, guys.
Yep. Very good.
Well, guys, that's the end of this episode. I think I had fun. Did you?
Yeah, it was fun. I wasn't sure what to expect, but it came together pretty good. I'm pretty impressed.
So I'm excited for us to plan more episodes like this where we'll be doing some fun stuff. And don't forget to subscribe everything we played, all the games, all the recipes, these outfits, they're all down in the description box. And feel free to leave some comments if you have suggestions for other episodes. We would love to see that. And bye, guys.
See ya.